Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to search Shopify stores on Google. So the first thing that you'll need to do, if you don't have of course the Google is the default engine in your browser, make sure to go to google.com right away, which will take you to Google. So in here, what we will have to look for is stores that ends with .myshopify.com because every new store ends with .myshopify.com. So as an example, if we go and look for, I don't know, bikes maybe, so bikes dot Shopify or my Shopify actually, show my Shopify.com. You can go and look for that. So as you can see, you'll find here some sites that are built in Shopify. How can you know that? Is simply by this myshopify.com. Normally, each store like ending with myshopify.com is a myshopify store. So this is one of the methods that you can basically search for a Shopify store on Google by simply entering myshopify.com at the end of it. So as you can see, there's another bike store, but is built by Shopify again. And if you want to make sure it's a Shopify store, you can simply just go to the URL. After that, add the slash admin, hit the enter button, and it will take you to Shopify, as you can see right here, Shopify. So you can do that for everything like clothes. Oh, that's not how you write clothes, but it's fine. So clothes as an example, you can find here some clothes as an example. So an example, I don't know, here are a lot of like clothes. And so for you, if you want to store in a specific niche, all you need to do just add the keyword as an example. You can even like go here and type here sites. So sites, example, two dots, and simply add your niche that you want to look for after that. So I don't know what you're looking for. Let's say an example, I'm looking for man clothes as an example. And as you can see, you will find different Shopify stores that are like some men or build or sell some man clothes. So of course, if you go back here and type like admin, I guess it will not take you because it says or it has those stuff. So we go here and type admin, just check if it's a Shopify store. Yeah, as you can see, it's taking you to Shopify. So even if they change like their URL, if we go back to this one, as you can see, the URL or the end URL doesn't have Shopify at all. It has industry.com.au. It doesn't have Shopify, but it still showed on my Google search. Why? Because I added this option, sites, two dots, myshopify.com, and then I added the niche that I want. Of course, for you, you will have basically to do the same with any niche that you want to look or to search for some Shopify stores. Another method as an example, especially this will you'll find it on the free sites. If you go as an example to the bottom of the site, this is probably because he has not this one, so this one, probably because he has his own URL section. That means probably if you scroll down, you will not find powered by Shopify. So yeah, as you can see, no powered by Shopify. Normally on the free sites, you will find in the footer of the website powered by Shopify. On kinda all the free stores, you'll find powered by Shopify, powered by Shopify. But this option or this method is not too efficient because you'll have to keep entering every store and you'll have to go down and look for powered for Shopify. So another method, which is Google Dorking. It's basically or a little bit advanced. So if you want to get like even more specific, you can try something called Google Dorking. So if you go here and type Google Dorking, as an example, it first of all sounds weird, but it's just using smart search codes. And if you type, of course, on Google Dorking, you may find nothing. But what I mean with Google Dorking exactly is simply if you go to Google again and type in URL, two dots, collection or collections, then type a space, type site, two dots, my Shopify again. So Shopify like this.com. And here's an example. You'll have, or this basically will show a collection page, which means active stores with products categories. So let's just go and search. And as you can see, you'll find all the stores that they have, of course, a collection page or a collection sections. So as you can see, all those stores have it and they powered by Shopify. And as I said, even if they don't have My Shopify on the URL, because you add this site to .myshopify.com. So this method called Google Dorking, it's basically just some Google search with some codes, which is an example this NURL. So other than that, you can choose, oh, let me just go back to it. We can change this collection as example with maybe products. Let's just go and type here products. Hit the search. And here again, it will show you all the pages that has products. So let me just go and close those stuff in here. As you can see, again, here you'll find all the Shopify stores that has this products page or this product section. And as you can see, this one has myshopify.com. This one doesn't have it. This one have it, and this one have it as well. And as you can see, you'll be able to see or to search Shopify stores using this trick or this method as well. There is another method which will require from you to use another tool. It's called the build with. If you want more serious data, you can build or you can head as example to buildwith.com, hit the enter button, and this will take you to this website. And as you can see, here you'll be able to type any domain to see if it uses Shopify or look up a list of Shopify powered websites by technology. So, for example, here you can enter a website address or a technology name or a keyword. I don't know, let's say, as example, so this one has my Shopify, this one doesn't have it, and we can go and enter that URL right here and look it up. Of course, we just go and type it right there, paste it, click on lookup, and we'll be able to see. So as example here, well, let me just go and remove like this collection all because this specific page, and yeah, lookup. So as you can see in here, you'll be able to see on this specific URL a lot of details. So the technology profile, the details about as an example. Of course, you will be asked to pay for a plan if you want more advanced and unlimited details look, but you'll be able to create a free account where you'll be able to see 10 detailed lookups a day. So you'll be able to create an account. It's very easy to create. As you can see, you can even continue using a Google account. I'm just going to create that very fast, continue, and I should be done with it. So as you can see, it uses Shopify. It spends, an example, $1,000. Sites with more than 100 products, an example, sites with more than 1,000 social followers, future customers, and all the other stuff that you want to know about this specific like website. Oh, sorry. So of course you can always look for a website, the keyword, whatever you want. And a specific niche, an example, again, we can go an example, look for men clothes, or we can add an example Shopify and etc. and look for all. So I type clothes incorrectly, but it's fine. And keep looking, as example, and search for your Shopify site. Of course, if you want to dig deeper into this, you'll be able to use some Chrome extensions like Koala. So an example, Chrome, or I'll just type here extensions and go here, and we'll be able to go and use some extensions like Koala, example inspector, which is, what is it? A spy Shopify stores and dropship. That's if you want an example to spy on some Shopify stores. There's even like commerce, so commerce inspector. So inspector, you'll be able to find, as an example, a lot of extensions that can help you. And yeah, that's how you basically search for Shopify stores in Google. I hope this video helped you. If it does, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and comments down below if you do have any questions or any other future idea about any other video. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.